I'm using the silver black. It's a really fine blade and it's perfect for getting in tight against the head shape. It's really ergonomic, and so I find that as I'm working around the head, it mirrors my hand movement. When I'm actually creating a curved section, it's very easy for me to work with this scissor. I don't have to extend my wrist or put too much movement in my hand, my arm, my wrist. So the coating that it has on it will help the scissor to glide more easily. You're having to put less effort, effectively, into the cutting motion. Everything is a lot more fluid. Even if you're using a longer blade, they're still very well balanced, and that's really important.